When it comes to cutting sheet metal, a power sheet metal nibbler or hand nibbler may be very useful. However, picking the correct one may be tricky with so many different kinds of the instrument on the market and many more versions from various manufacturers. To help you decide, we've put up a list of 7 sheet metal nibblers of different kinds that I suggest checking out if you're in the market for one. There are many products available to choose the best sheet metal nibbler tools for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best sheet metal nibbler tools for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. MAKITA Nibbler. MAKITA has released its finest nibbler to the market, and it is quickly becoming their most popular product. Thanks to the company's mix of engineers and product designers, the MAKITA sheet metal nibbler is their most incredible invention yet. Finding the finest nibbler has been more difficult in recent years. As a result, producers are trying to develop world-class goods that can resist all stresses and operate for the longest period. One such product is the MAKITA sheet nibbler. This sheet nibbler is a precise machine that was designed to operate in the keystone plate in an accurate way. It is the most sought-after brand since it works wonders on corrugated materials and deck plates. Number 2. Fine Gauge Nibbler. The Fein BLK Gauge Nibbler is a gauge nibbler from Fein. It is a machine that is intended to provide the most accurate cuts in the shortest amount of time. It is made of just the finest metal alloys, ensuring its longevity and effectiveness. Users widely recommend the Fein nibbler since it can handle any cutting task, regardless of how tough the metal is. The nibbler also has a fast cutting speed of 7.5 feet per minute and enables you to change the direction of your cutting in 45-degree increments. Furthermore, due to its electrical system, operations are fast and simple, and it comes with an electric power cord that enables you to charge it anytime its power is low. Number 3. PNEUMATIC ONYX Heavy-Duty Air Nibbler. The Astro Nibbler is a heavy-duty machine that is manufactured under stringent quality control guidelines. It has a user-friendly design that has a strong focus on the professional end user. Every component of this product is put to the test in a real-world setting to verify its longevity and usefulness. The Astro Pneumatic Nibbler is equipped with the most cutting-edge technology. It's built to satisfy all of an air nibbler's needs and provide the finest cutting experience possible for everyone. Overall, the Astro team does a great job of constantly changing and modifying their settings and product components to produce more powerful gadgets that meet the needs of each user. Number 4. Ingersoll Rand Air Nibbler. Nibblers come in a variety of shapes and sizes, with the air nibbler being the most common. If you're looking for an air nibbler with many functions, we have another great metal nibbler machine on our list. This product was developed by a well-known home appliance and equipment company. It's designed to meet all of your cutting requirements without creating any harm or problems. The Ingersoll Rand Air Nibbler is a machine designed by Ingersoll Rand. It's extremely easy to use because of the user-friendly features that make the cutting process go more smoothly. The Ingersoll Nibbler has a cutting rate of 6 feet per minute, which is not found in other goods. The nibbler can cut metals up to 16-gauge steel, as well as polymers and other metals. Number 5. Weaver Nibbler. Weaver is one of the leading brands manufacturing premium tough tools and equipment, including this electric metal nibbler. This 380W electric metal nibbler has the excellent cutting capability and a user-friendly 360-degree adjustable design. With its large stroke, the nibbler can make clean, fast, smooth, and precise cutting of various materials like aluminum, steel, plastic, metal plate, glass, copper, pipes, or sheet metals. The ergonomic, lightweight, and slim body design of this nibbler will aid in easy gripping and handling. It is made of durable, efficient premium materials that are equipped with a powerful copper motor of 380W that operates at an 1800 RPM speed to withstand high temperatures and cut various shapes smoothly without any burr. Its 360-degree adjustable cutting blade guide is quite helpful in cutting curves, straight lines, and circles, whereas its air outlet provides proper ventilation and heat dissipation. It comes with all essential accessories that include a wrench, replaceable block, spanners, and toolbox storage case to carry around easily, and also to replace the cutting blade for efficient cutting performance. The cutting thickness will be 0.07 inches 1.8 millimeters. It comes with a 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.